children, today we are going to solve the exercise part chapter number 5, third standard, the cleverest man in the world. Understanding text, tick the correct option from the brackets to complete the sentences. So first one is Nasruddin Hudja was a dash man. Clever or foolish? Nasruddin ಎಂತ man ಇದ್ದ? Clever ಇದ್ದ, foolish ಇದ್ದ ಅವನು? He was a clever man. Second one, the learned men were looking for a person who could dash questions. Ask them or ask their questions. Third one, Hudja said that the number of stars in the sky were as many as the strands in his donkey's mane or horse's mane. Yes, that is donkey's mane. Now it's time for the B part. Answer these questions. There are 5 questions we are going to solve now. First question, where did Nasruddin Hudja live? Nasruddin Hudja ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ? Nasruddin Hudja lived in Akshehir, Turkey. Akshehir, Turkey ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ? ವಾಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. Second question, why did the learned men visit Akshehir? Learned men ಯಾಕೆ ಅಕ್ಷಯಹೀರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದರು? The learned men visited Akshehir because they were searching for an intelligent man who could answer their 3 questions. ಅವರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನನ್ನು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದರ್ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಅವರ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಅಕ್ಷಯಹೀರನ್ನು ತಲುಪಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಮೆನ್ ಟು ಹುಡ್ಜಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು? 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಮೆನ್ ಟು ಹುಡ್ಜಾ. 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ 3 ಮೆನ್? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು? ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ 3 ಮೆನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೈ? ಸ್ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ದ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ನಸ್ರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಹುಡ್ಜಾ ಬಿಕಮ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೆವರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್? ಅವನು ಕ್ಲೆವರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ? ನಸ್ರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಹುಡ್ಜಾ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೆವರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ by answering all the 3 questions asked by the 3 learned men. ಆ 3 learned men ಏನನ್ನ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವನು ಕ್ಲೆವರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ಕೋತಾನೆ. ರೈಟ್, ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್, ಹೂ ವಾಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ಲೆವರ್, ನಸ್ರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಹುಡ್ಜಾ ಆರ್ ದ 3 learned men? ಗಿವ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಯಾರು ಕ್ಲೆವರ್, ನಸ್ರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಹುಡ್ಜಾನ ಅಥವಾ 3 learned men ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್, Nasruddin Hudja was more clever than the 3 learned men because he knew all the answers to their questions. He was more smart and intelligent. ಅವನು 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸಿಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊತಾನೆ. Move on to the next, that is understanding words. Here are synonyms. Synonyms ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ವಾಯ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಲೆವರ್. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೂ ಜಾಣ, ಕ್ಲೆವರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಜಾಣನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ they have given some synonyms of the underlined words. We have to find out it. So ants are small creature. Instead of small, what we use? Tiny. T-I-N-Y, tiny. So this is the first one, right? Next, everyone is quiet in the class. Instead of quiet, the synonym of quiet is silent. So this is the second one. I am glad to hear the good news. The synonym of glad is pleased. The synonym of glad is pleased. Sachin Tendulkar is a popular cricketer. The synonym of popular is, that is, famous. So instead of popular, we can use that famous. My mother is beautiful lady. So beautiful synonym is pretty. Pretty. So this is the fifth one. Now move on to the understanding rules, that is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense alli ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? See children, we use is, am, are, in. ಇವು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಕೂಡ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಸ್, ಆಮ್, ಆರ್ ಮತ್ತು ING ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬಂದರೆ that is called as present continuous tense. So here are some examples. Okay, you can see here. Rajni is sitting on the bench. Rajni is sitting on the bench. The children are visiting their aunt. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? Children is a plural. ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Rajni is a girl. She is a single. So is ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So I am going to school. I ಇದ್ರೆ am ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ವರ್ಬಿಗೆ ING ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Right? So here is one exercise part. So we move on to the exercise part now, children. So what is that? That is complete this sentence with the present continuous tense. Bracket alli verb kottidare. Depend upon these we have to use the helping verb, and with the verb we have to add ING. The children dash chess. So the children are playing. ING form we have to add here. Seema dash work. Seema is singular. Seema is, do is in the bracket. Seema is doing her homework. Dimple dash a movie. Dimple is watch ide. So watching a movie. We dash with our friends. We are eating with our friends. I dash to the circus. I am going to the circus. Sixth one, the cat is chasing a mouse. They are making lot of noise. Singular idre is ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ ಹಚ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವರ್ಬನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ING ಹಚ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ that is present continuous tense. So move on to that past continuous tense. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಈಸ್ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ವಾಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆರ್ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, and ING ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So here are some example. Ravi was reading a book. The children were cleaning their room. So here circle the correct option from the bracket to complete this sentence about past continuous tense. Right? So Rohit dashed across the field when he tripped and fell. Rohit was running. I dashed a picture when the lights went off. I was painting a picture. We dashed dinner when we doorbell rang. We were having a dinner. Kavita and Payal dashed when the guest arrived. Kavita and Payal were singing when the guest arrived. Listen to the passage carefully and complete the sentences. So here once Hudja was tilling his patch of land. A hunter who was running past asked Hudja rudely if he had seen a boar. Hudja pointed in the left direction. The hunter went in that direction without a word of thanks. Soon the hunter came back and said that he could not find the boar. Hudja told the hunter that he had seen the boar in that direction 2 years ago. Okay? Yes. So here is a speaking part, that is we have to describe these animals with their size, where they live, what they eat and special feature of these. For example, elephants is a big size. Okay? It lives in jungle. It eats sugar cane and the special feature is it has a long trunk, like that only. Okay, move on to the pronunciation part, children. True, train, triangle, trumpet, tractor. 3, throw, thread, throat, thrice. Free, frame, freeze, freedom, fracture.